Welcome back, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. It's the return of the Till Raider, and let's have a quick scout through what we need. We need England Commonwealth Games for the £2. We've had some amazing luck lately. We've got him all apart from the England one. Put your teeth back in, man. Okay, so we need Q, a couple of Olympics, 3 more Olympics, 1 more Olympic, and then that is that. All the way back to the tally chart. I still haven't put the territories in, but I put the Loch Ness Monster in. We've got the 2p in there as well. So I may just keep them like that. I don't know. I'm quite bone idle at times. Tally chart there. We have got something like 32, sorry, I can't count. 32 diversities, and we've got 4 Commonwealth Games, 2 of them being Northern Ireland. Right, that out of the way, let's have a look at the coins. Now I'll put them all into my little red tin, empty them out. So we've got a stack of 50s and a stack of £2 coins. Must admit, not much in the £2, 50p wise. So we'll get them out of the way first, because we've got some belters in the £2, some absolute stunning coins. Right, so that one is Battle of Hastings. Very nice coin. We'll pop you there, young man. 2006. It's the Victoria Cross medals. Okay, then we've got 2017. There we go. We've got a Benjamin Bunny. Now I will sign these. I've got my old pen there. I will sign them before releasing them back into a vending machine or a self-serve checkout or whatever I do with them. 2005 dictionary. Looks like it's been round block, that one, a few times. 2019 Surely not. Shirley Holmes. Is anybody called Sherlock nowadays, you know? Is anybody called Sherlock? I don't know. 2017, another bunny. And 2019, Paddington at the White Tower of London. So not much joy in the 50p's this time. But we can't have it all, can we? We can't have it all. Okay, £2. Look at that for a stack of £2. Okay, so we've got, what's this one? This is the Army Pals. Very nice. Suffers from high mintage, but we don't need him. Another one, we've got Brunel's Archers. Just there. Another nice coin, but again, highly minted. Alright, so we can see a couple of 5th portraits. So we know they're going to be something, unless it's one of them. I can't remember now. No, it is Shakespeare's history with a hollow crown, the little dagger running through there. Okay, another one. It's got this bizarre, like, circular thing around that. I don't know. It is very bizarre, that. Very odd. And it's another one of them. Another one of those histories. Right, let's get a look at this one. What's that one going to be? That's Trinity Lighthouse. Trinity Lighthouse. Very nice coin. Very nice. Okay, another 5th portrait. We've got comedies. We have got comedies there. Okay, another 5th portrait. Again with this band right round there. I don't know. Oh, well, there we go. We've got the skull. In fact, we've got them all, haven't we? That's it. This one's the one which just says, "What a piece of work is done." I'm only jesting with you. Okay, right, another one. And that's the Great Fire of London. What a belter that one is. One of my favourites. Got to be one of my favourites. But the start of the show has to be this one. Has to be this one. From the post office when I was posting out a parcel. It was another painting. MasterTemple's art on Etsy. Just got to get it in there, haven't I? Okay, let's have a look at this one, folks. It's another Commonwealth Games. And it's a Scotland. It's not the one we need, but it is still a cracking coin. An absolutely amazing one. So what about that? How close were we? But so far, close but no cigar. Right, so that's grand, that. Nothing for the book. We'll put that one down on the tally chart. So next time, we'll have five Commonwealth Games on the old tally chart. But, well, let me know what's your favourite pig. Obviously, it's going to be this one, isn't it? Nothing for the 50p's, really. Maybe the Battle of Hastings, I don't know. But yeah. What have you been finding, folks? Let me know, because I'm always eager to find out what's happening out there. And until next time, my fantastic friends, do take care of the said. Stay safe, and as always, happy days. Boom.